Our universe began about 13.8 billion years ago. Imagine everything squeezed into a tiny point, smaller than an atom. Suddenly, this point expanded rapidly. This event is called the Big Bang. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, it was the expansion of space itself. As space expanded, it cooled down. The energy within the universe transformed into particles. These particles eventually formed atoms, the building blocks of everything we see. The first atoms were mostly hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements. The universe was still very young, just a few minutes old. But the stage was set for the formation of stars, galaxies, and eventually life itself. Over millions of years, gravity pulled matter together. Clouds of hydrogen and helium gas became denser. These dense regions collapsed under their own weight. The intense pressure and heat at the centers of these collapsing clouds ignited nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms fused to form helium, releasing enormous energy. The first stars were born. These early stars were massive and short-lived. They burned brightly and then exploded as supernovas. These explosions scattered heavier elements like carbon and oxygen into space. Gravity continued to shape the universe. Stars clustered together, forming vast galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, contains billions of stars, including our Sun. About 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust collapsed. This cloud, called the solar nebula, was located in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms. As the solar nebula collapsed, it began to spin faster. The center of the cloud became incredibly hot and dense. This is where our Sun formed. The remaining material in the solar nebula swirled around the young Sun. Dust and gas collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger objects. These objects eventually became planets, moons, and asteroids. Our Earth formed from this cosmic dance of matter. It was initially a molten ball of rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Over time, Earth cooled and developed an atmosphere. The stage was set for life to emerge. Section 4. Life finds a foothold, Earth's story unfolds. The early Earth was a harsh and unforgiving place. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. The oceans were hot and acidic, yet in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life emerged. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. They thrived in the primordial soup of the early oceans. Over billions of years, life evolved and diversified. Photosynthesis evolved, allowing organisms to harness energy from sunlight. This process released oxygen into the atmosphere, gradually transforming Earth's environment. The ozone layer formed, shielding life from harmful radiation. Life continued to evolve, from single-celled organisms to multicellular plants and animals. Dinosaurs roamed the Earth, followed by mammals. Each extinction event paved the way for new species to emerge. Section 5. Humanity's ascent from tools to technology. About 2.5 million years ago, the first humans appeared in Africa. They were tool makers and hunters, adapting to their environment. Over time, humans developed language, art, and culture. Agriculture emerged about 10,000 years ago, allowing humans to settle in one place and cultivate crops. This led to villages, cities, and eventually civilizations. The invention of writing allowed humans to record their history and share knowledge. Science and technology advanced, leading to new discoveries and inventions. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history. Machines replaced manual labor, and factories sprang up across the globe. The 20th century witnessed unprecedented technological advancements, from airplanes to computers to the internet. Section 6. Gazing into the future. The universe's next chapter. What does the future hold for the universe and humanity? Predicting the future is always uncertain, but we can make some educated guesses based on our current understanding of the cosmos. The universe is still expanding, and this expansion is accelerating. Galaxies will continue to move apart, and the night sky will eventually become dark and empty. Our sun will eventually run out of fuel and expand into a red giant star, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. But long before that happens, humanity may have already ventured beyond our solar system, seeking new homes among the stars. The development of artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and space exploration could dramatically alter the course of human history. We may one day colonize other planets, merge with machines, or even transcend our physical bodies entirely. The future is unwritten. It is up to us, the inheritors of billions of years of cosmic evolution, to shape our destiny. By embracing curiosity, creativity, and a spirit of exploration, we can ensure that the universe's next chapter is one of progress, enlightenment, and wonder.